Hi everybody, Zach here. Welcome back to the channel, and in this video we are going to talk about the Crow coin, the Crypto.com coin, because I am so bullish now on the Crypto.com coin. It is now a top 30 asset, by the way, ranked number 29 in CoinMarketCap. We're going to take a look at that. But what I want to focus here on this screen in particular is underneath here, centralized exchange. You'll see the BNB, the Binance token here. It's pretty dominant in the centralized exchange space, but as you can see, Crow is second in dominance. I don't know if you could see this all the way down here at the bottom. Crow, Leo, FTT are the next three in line for centralized exchanges. This is pretty cool. It kind of breaks things down. Store value, BTC, smart contracts, ETH's got 17% dominance, ADA, right? And then we can see centralized exchange, DeFi, memes, NFTs. So it's really a cool thing. I just found it actually on CoinMarketCap, but so here's what's going on, right? Binance has a lot of things happening that's going to negatively impact, I think, the overall outlook of Binance, okay? Especially in the UK, especially perhaps even that could broaden out to Europe. We'll have to see. But there's a lot of issues going on with Binance right now, and that begs the question, does that bode well then for Crypto.com? And here's the thing, I think while that could have an impact and maybe more people shift over to Crypto.com, which has about 10 million active users right now, I think no matter what, Crypto.com is going to continue to grow tremendously. After signing this 10-year, $175 million deal with the UFC, I expect Crypto.com to continue to rise in popularity. Right now, they say join 10 million users buying and selling 100 plus cryptocurrencies at true cost. That was just updated, by the way. That said 90 just a few days ago. Now they're up over 100 plus different cryptocurrencies that you can purchase right at Crypto.com. It says spend with the Crypto.com Visa card, which is also an unbelievable opportunity. I'm looking into getting one. They've got two different Visa cards that you could purchase. You get all these cashback rewards and in crypto. And I have a friend who's done a tremendous amount of vacationing with his Crypto.com card. And it says grow your portfolio by earning up to 14% interest on your crypto assets. I think the Crypto.com asset is one that I'll be holding throughout the duration of this 10-year, $175 million contract with the UFC. And we take a look at the current price right now. It's sitting at 12 cents, give or take, about 12 and a quarter. Now, here's what I want to focus on. This is the active addresses down here, right before the UFC fight and before the UFC deal was released, okay? Look at the surge in the amount of holders since the UFC deal has been released, since people saw the logo all over the place, right, during the actual fight. This is a nice little trend line upwards. I think this trend will continue, and that's the 1 month. We could take a look at it here in the 7-day too. Look at that, just slowly adding to the total number of holders here. I am super bullish about Crypto.com's coin here in the short term and in the long term. Now we just cracked the top 30. This is one, and here's the chart here. This is the all chart here for Crypto.com. So you got to go way back to December 18. So this is when it kind of started. It was roughly 1 cent back then. And look at just this slow growth pattern over the past few years. And we've seen some nice peaks. Obviously, we're going to get valleys in there too, but September 2020 saw a nice run up all the way to 15 cents, and we're going to talk about some of these points that we need to break through so we can break out of some of these resistance levels. Now here in April, that's when it set its all-time high, okay? So we'll come down here and we'll see it's right around 27 cents. Yeah, just over 27 cents, so it's 55% off that all-time high. I think later this year, with the next bull run in place, as Bitcoin rolls up and everything else is doing great, the altcoins are storming back, I think we could see the Crypto.com or the Crow coin set new all-time highs. And here, you could see this in the 7-day. If we take a look at the 7-day chart, you could see a nice little run up here in the past week or so. A lot of us over at the Patreon and our Discord, we got in this thing right around 11 cents. And I think we were pretty pumped to do so because since then it's been roaring upwards, and there's the 7-day chart. You could take a look at that. So yeah, again, a lot of us got in right around 11 cents, And the good thing here, as the entire market has been falling, Crypto.com has not been falling as much. So here's the 1 month chart. So here you go. Back in June, it was 9 cents. Since that point, look at that. Since late June, June 22nd, it was 8 cents. Look at the nice upward trajectory that we've seen here for the Crow coin. You gotta love it. All right, so here's why the overall market's down, and still Crow coin doing pretty well, but that short position, right? That's one we always watch. Over 16,000 right now short positions on Bitcoin. A lot of people betting Bitcoin will go down, okay? So that's just kind of a little tidbit here in the middle of this video. But why the UFC and Crypto.com deal looks really good for altcoins. Interesting article here. So Coinbase and Binance competitor Crypto.com recently signed a long-term branding deal with the UFC. And as we know, this is going to certainly be a partnership that will impact the price of the Crypto.com coin, but it could be one that impacts altcoin prices as a whole. So we'll come on down here, and there's a sweet looking image with the Crypto.com logo there on the UFC fighters uniform. So it says Crypto.com operates one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world with more than 10 million users. That's another question. How much are we going to increase in the next year? I think we can double that. I think we get from 10 to 20. Its listings include UFC coin, Dogecoin, and Shiba token. The exchange has secured global rights to its logo on UFC fighter kits. I'll have to check into that. UFC coin. Is that really an asset? I'll have to check that and see if that was a typo. But in other news, okay. So it says Crypto.com hopes to ride the UFC's league popularity to reach more customers, hopefully make more profit. That bodes well for altcoins as more awareness could generate more investment interest. This is what I mentioned. This could have an impact on your meme coins, such as Dogecoin there and Shiba Inu there, right? I definitely think this could have a big impact on these assets that are listed on Crypto.com, especially the cheap ones, as people new to the crypto space flock there to try to figure out what they want to invest in. So, all right, in March, UFC coin plunged to the low of 2 cents. Investors, okay, that's the UFC coin. I don't want to focus on that because I got to do some more digging on that. But overall, this article kind of just talks about the overall outlook, the potential that this partnership has on the Crypto.com coin. And here we go. This one talks a little bit about some of the levels we're looking at, okay? Therefore, a successful clearance of 15 cents, this is a level that we're looking at, should be viewed as a win for the bulls and put Crow in contention to move towards 20 cents. So we have a little bit of resistance there at 15 cents. If we can burst through 15 cents, this thing could run and possibly set new all-time highs. So hopefully you got some value out of this video. I am super bullish on this partnership, Crypto.com. And again, you can see in this centralized exchange space, aside from Binance, Crypto.com has a really good opportunity here to get some of that dominance back from BNB, and we'll see if they can do that in the midst of this partnership. Let me know your thoughts down below. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. See you in the next video.